नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है मेरे YouTube चैनल वी लव कंप्यूटर्स में। मेरा नाम सरबजीत सिंह है। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक रहेगा वो है रूल्स फॉर नेमिंग वेरिएबल्स इन पाइथन। पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज का यूज़ करते टाइम, इस्तेमाल करते टाइम हमें वेरिएबल्स की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, वेरिएबल्स की आवश्यकता पड़ती है कुछ कॉन्स्टेंट्स को स्टोर करने के लिए। सो वेरिएबल्स को एज इट इज़ नहीं यूज़ कर सकते। वेरिएबल्स उसके कुछ रूल्स हैं, कुछ कायदे हैं, उनको हमें फॉलो करने पड़ते हैं। वी नीड टू फॉलो द रूल्स, certain rules we have to follow while naming a variable. So one thing I want to make clear is that while naming a variable, it should be very meaningful. It should be very close to the content which is going to be stored in a variable. For example, if you want to store name of an employee, we can create a variable name. If you want to store age of an employee, we can create a second variable, that is age, which is going to be storing the age of an employee. So these are the things which you have to be very careful while for creating a variable. Now coming to the rules, we need to always start a variable name with a letter, although we can also start a variable name with underscore. Always start variable name with letter. If some valid variable names are name is equal to Suman, age is equal to 36. So on looking at the name variable, we can see that it is a variable name which is going to store the name of an employee, and looking at the age variable, we can conclude that it is a variable which is going to store the age of an employee or age of some person, or like this. Some invalid variable names like one name Suman @ age is equal to 36. So a variable name cannot start with the digit, it can start with an underscore sign. Some special characters like @ sign, dollar sign, ampersand sign, these are caret sign, these are some special characters which cannot be used while naming a variable. So we can use any letter or number while naming a variable. Uppercase A to Z and lowercase a to z and digits 0 to 9 are allowed while naming a variable. So here you can see two examples. Name underscore age is equal to 50. So as I explained a little while ago that we can start the variable name with underscore. So underscore age is equal to 50, it is a valid variable name and it is going to store the age of some person. Name underscore 1 is equal to Suman. We can separate the variable names with underscore sign. For example, if we create a variable which consists of two words like first name, so we can separate first and name with underscore, like first underscore name. So we can separate variable names with underscore sign, and the name itself is self-explanatory that what content it is going to store in it. Special symbols like @ sign, hash sign, dollar sign, these are some certain special characters which cannot be used while naming a variable. Underscore can be used as I explained a little while ago. Uppercase and lowercase letters are distinct. That what I mean to say is that uppercase and lowercase letters are different. Python will treat them as different. For example, here you can see age and age are different because in the first age A is capital and in the second age A is small. So these are two different variables, and we have to be very careful while choosing the variable names, and we have to keep this thing in mind that uppercase letters and lowercase letters are distinct, and these are two different variables names. And last rule is that we have to avoid using Python reserved keywords like if, for, etc. So that's all with the today's topic. If you like my video, do subscribe my channel and hit the like button and share my video. Thanks.